A report that recommends 2 safe injection sites for Ottawa was dismissed by provincial leaders in the spring. But the authors of the report say that doesn't mean it's not going to happen. They say the idea just needs more support from the public. David Tarah joins us now live with more. David.
Well, Adrian, there's been 3 overdoses in the past week here in Ottawa, and supporters of safe injection sites hope that those deaths are going to help convince people of the need for a service like this here in our city. Tarah Heighton is a recovering drug addict. She says the overdose of a friend helped her make a change in her life. But she says people shouldn't have to die before addicts get the help they need. She believes Ottawa should set an example for the rest of the country.
When I first heard about it, I was a little bit skeptical just because of what a political town it is. However, after thinking about it a little bit, I realized how brilliant is it to have the push here first, because if it can happen here, it can happen anywhere. So far, the government has been cool to the idea, but researcher Carol Strike says data collected for the report shows the majority of people support the idea.
Actually, the level of public support did surprise me. I didn't expect it to be that high, but it was much higher than I anticipated. Ottawa
has some of the highest rates of HIV and hepatitis C in the province, something supporters say is a problem safe injection sites would help to address before it spreads to the rest of the population. And after a recent rash of overdose deaths, supporters like Sproule say the time to act is now.
They've studied it up and down and all around. They don't need to take time off to do more studies, as more people will die. 3 people OD'd in the last 5 days in Ottawa. 2 of them on Booth Street, just a couple of blocks from here.
Tarah Heighton knows that it may be a long battle, but she's convinced once people are educated about the facts, they'll support the safe injection sites.
And as long as we keep, as a community, making that push, I don't think that will be stoppable.
The report stops short of recommending where those 2 proposed injection sites should be here in Ottawa. The researchers say that's something that needs to be determined by the community once there's enough support for that idea. Adrian?
Thanks so much, David. That's the CBC's David Tarah live in our newsroom tonight.